What's goody? What's poppin'? It's mukbang time. Mukbang time. Chick-fil-A mukbang. So let's get it. Video start now. Yo, this camera been tripping out. Low-key wanna go to the fro, low-key don't. I think I'm gonna just go eat in my room so I can chill. Take a nap after I eat. Be Gucci. Alright, what's good, y'all? As you can see, we got this mukbang going. Also just be talking about college stuff, I guess. How it feels to be living in New Mexico. Let me get a thumbnail though, for sure. Right here. There we go. I don't know. We're gonna make that look nice and stylish if we make that thumbnail, but let's see, we got still the napkins because we live in a dorm. We got our french fries. Oh, dropped the fry. Alright. Oh, no we didn't. It landed on me. We good. Those are fire, but let me put a napkin down so that I don't make a mess. Fries dropping in the bag. Yes, sir. Alright, I need to charge my phone, but I don't got nothing else to really do today. I was gonna head over to see some other classes. They're near CNM, but they shut down CNM for like a lockdown, so I don't even want to be over there. So I'm gonna just stay away from there. Got that Polynesian sauce, got that Chick-fil-A sauce, fire. Got the lemonade. I low-key didn't need a drink because I could easily go Lapo and fill up my water bottle and get a drink or just drink water. But I got a drink because why not? It's the first day of spring semester. I was about to say first day of class, but first day back. But yeah, I never really did like a real mukbang, I don't know. So this is low-key my first one. By myself too. I was gonna eat like out somewhere, but it was pretty cold. And I wanted to be able to watch Netflix. And just be comfortable in my room. Shoot, I was sleeping in class. But what you do is, you know, you gotta get the Chick-fil-A sauce. And like put it on your sandwich. Because these sandwiches we tried, did they give me pickles? Yeah, they did. Okay. Alright. Or even put the Polynesian. You know when you put the Polynesian on that? I think it's the custom go. Can't even do it no more. Put a little bit of that on there. Yes sir. Soda bar. Draco. Alright. Straight fire. With this YouTube stuff, I got a lot of videos I want to put out. Got vlogs. Got this intro. Well, I want to make an intro for my channel, but I also want to do a channel trailer. Yummy. I don't think this is about to be a full mukbang because I want to watch Netflix, but who knows? And my nose is running. Oh, there we go. Hiccups. Why is it so hot? I'm dying over here. First day of class. Already got homework. Yo, this Wi-Fi been tripping today. Look at this. Every time. Dang, I got hiccup so bad right now. Jeez, that hurt. Yeah, we gonna try to connect to this Wi-Fi. I don't know why it's tripping. Chick-fil-A fries are a bomb. So like, I go to Chick-fil-A on campus, as y'all like saw, and it's not like, I feel like it's not the same as like the regular Chick-fil-A. It's probably not. And they don't accept deals. Like if you go there with your like your mobile phone, it's wraps. Cause they be like, nah, we don't accept those. Cause you know how you can get free food from the app. They're like, nah, man, we not doing that over here. The only reason I got this right now is because on my ID card I had some money on there from having a meal plan, which is nice, man, but the thing is expensive. And they should let us have like more food from like those places, like from Chick-fil-A and stuff, but they don't, which sucks. So like me, I only go to like Chick-fil-A and Subway. I don't need to go nowhere else. Try it again, folks. I want to watch Netflix. Okay, this don't want to work. We're gonna open it again. I need to edit, honestly. I need to edit my videos. Finish doing a shot list. Go outside, take pictures. I was setting up my camera on my tripod to shoot this video right now, but I was like, bruh, my food's gonna get cold. I had to walk my food all the way over here. I was like, nah, let me just hurry up and eat. I hate that it looks dark under here, but guess I just need like, I don't know, a better light to put over here, like under here or something. I want to buy a new light. Yes, sir. Straight fire. Hey, can y'all leave like a comment in the dang, man. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me if you like my videos. Tell me like what you think. Tell me what you would like to see. Just give me some feedback. My roommate still isn't here. Changed up the room a little bit though. Sorry, my hand's in the way. Low key, I could switch my bed and like sleep over there and have like an unlofted bed, but I don't know. I kind of like having space. I like having space under here. And then like once I get in my bed, I know like, okay, now I have to sleep like no matter what. So yeah, that's my life. I honestly don't know what to talk about, man, because this is my first mukbang. I don't know. But moved here in August, and like it feels like my freshman year of college is like just already over. So it went by so fast. I'm like, dang, I just moved here, and like it's already about to be, well, it's already 2019. We already in a new year. It's crazy. I feel like this year is gonna be a really good year though. Like I gotta push myself, try to get straight A's this year, for sure. But for me personally, the main thing I struggle in is math. Straight up, like it's always math for me. Oh look, Netflix won't work now, but there's nothing to watch on here at all. But I'm glad I'm here. Grateful to be as well, because a lot of people can't go to college. A lot of people can't afford college. I could barely afford college. Like, it's really a struggle, but I feel like that grind builds people up to become better people. So once they have that success, they appreciate it and feel a grind to be even more successful. So, together. What is this? Welcome to the Family International TV Dramas. This looks interesting. My lips are so dry now. Being in that math class. Dang, maybe I wasn't that hungry. Usually I like destroy food in like 5 seconds. Man, we already been recording for a long time. Alright, so yeah, as of right now, I'm feeling good in life. Starting a new semester. Proud of myself, proud of my family. Proud of my friends that I better have. I feel like once you get over it, that stuff don't really matter. Having a bunch of friends, just do you. People that come into your life, come to your life. We let go, they're meant to go. That's how I feel. But yes, thank you for watching this this video. I appreciate y'all. Let me know what you think of my video. Like, comment, subscribe. I already know, turn on the post notifications so you know when I upload. Yeah. Dang. They already arrested the suspect, the people that was going crazy. But yeah, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Much love. Support your girl. I'll support you. Let me know if you want me to react to one of your videos. I'm planning on reacting to this channel. It's called TYP Gang. It's like, I think it's like a music group. They make music. One of them hit me up, was like, hey, react to our video. So I'm gonna react to it. I know it's like taking forever, but I like forgot about it, and then I remember, say like the video, commented or something. So like if you remind me, got you. I'm gonna still do it though, because why not? And their music's good, so I'm gonna like try to react to a song that I haven't heard before, and I'll be lit. Yes sir. Stay up.